Hello, everybody. Well, today we get to do addition with tens and ones and regrouping. Regrouping is the vocabulary word that we used a few weeks ago where we were grouping in by tens, taking 10 ones and grouping them together to make them into a 10. That's what we're going to do today as we add. So here's our story. Abby sees 19 people flying kites. Later, she sees 3 more people flying kites. How many people are flying kites in all? So you see the number sentence down here at the bottom, 19 plus 3. So let's show 19 in tens and ones. Okay, let me double check. There's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And then she sees 3 more people that are flying kites. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to group 10 of these ones, because if we have 9 plus the 3 more, 10, 11, 12, that's too many to go on the ones column. So we can only have a 1-digit number. So here's 9, 10, okay? So let's just pretend that we put all of those 10 ones together, and then we can make another stick of 10. So now we have 2 tens, and then we have 2 ones left over here. 2 ones. So the answer is to 19 plus 3 is 22. 10, 20, 21, 22. All right, let's do some more practice. All right, we've got steps 1, 2, and 3 here. We're trying to find 13 plus 8. Okay, 13 plus 8. And so we have, here's a 10, 11, 12, 13. And then here are the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the first thing we need to do then is to count the ones and circle 10 of them. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're going to circle these right here. Okay, so that makes an extra 10, and that's what this is right here, the extra 10. And there's only one that's left over. So now that we've regrouped those 10 ones and made it into a stick of 10, the answer is 2 tens and 1 1. 2 tens and 1 1. So the answer to 13, because I wrote right over that, sorry. 13 plus 8 equals 21. 10, 21. The sum of 8, 8, it's supposed to be 13. 13 plus 8. Yeah, I think that's a little mistake right there. Okay, well, we're going to move on and do this one right here. 15 plus 5. Okay, here's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, plus 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so first we need to group 10 of them. 5 plus 5 is 10, so we're going to circle all of those. And that would be putting then we would have 2 tens over here. So 2 tens is the same as 20, isn't it? And there are no ones left on the outside of that group that we just circled. 15 plus 5 equals 20. Okay, now let's do 19 plus 4. Okay, first we're going to circle a group of 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right there. Then we have 1, 2, 3 left over, 3 ones left over. And if we made this another 10, now we have 2 tens. 19 plus 4 equals 23. Okay, do you always regroup when you're adding? The answer to that is no. What we were doing last week, we were adding two-digit numbers, but the reason we did not regroup last week is because our ones, when we would add the ones together, the sum was not more than 10. When the sum of your ones is more than 10, then we have to 10 or more, then we have to regroup. Okay, 5 plus 5 is 10. So that's when you write the number 10, see that's a two-digit number. So then you would have to, this is the ones digit, and then the 1 goes over here in the tens digit. You have to carry that over to the tens place. All that is about place value. All right, well, we're going to do some more to practice. And there's lots of IXL lessons to practice also. Lessons D19, D20, D21, and D22 all have to do with addition and regrouping. Now, I kind of split it up. I'd like for you, if you can, do 2 of them today. We're going to still continue with some more practice with regrouping tomorrow, and you can do the other 2 lessons for practice tomorrow. Okay, good luck.